Good morning, everyone. The time now is 6:46 a.m. and I actually slept with these lights turned on, including the one above, because I couldn't figure out how to turn off these two lights. My tour guide told me to try to turn off this, but it wouldn't turn off. He told me to try to turn off this scene, but it was even brighter. Or it would turn off these lights. So I couldn't figure out how to turn off these two lights. So I slept with the lights turned on. But actually, last night was the best night sleep of all nights. So maybe I should turn my lights on when I go on holiday from now on when I sleep. And also, all packed and ready to go downstairs. Only took me like 20 minutes. And I just wanted to wrap up this video because this whole trip been quite happy and adventurous. They said it was supposed to rain on Tuesday, like 80%. But when we arrived, there was sunshine. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, they said it was going to be cloudy. But when we got up to the 红云静定, it was shining with blue sky. So I'm more than happy about that. And got to see the view on the top of 红云静定. Even the tour group next to us, which is the same company, couldn't see anything at the 红云静定. And then yesterday when we arrived, it was like drizzling with rain, and they said there might not be the drone show, so we were really sad. But in the end, it stopped raining at like 4 o'clock, so the drone show went on, and I'm so happy that it stopped raining. So thank God for the great weather, and I hope if you guys come to Gui Yang, you also get good weather like us, because according to our tour guide, she said that Gui Yang almost rains every day. The last tour she took, it rained all day every day. So yeah. By the way, I forgot to show you, this is the toilet last night, and the toilet is actually over here. Anyways, I'm gonna go down now. So I'm gonna go to one destination first because the amount of time we have to wait for the bus is quite long, like 10 minutes, and I want to make sure I'm not late, and it's now 7:04. So I think if I go to the destination first, then have breakfast, then I'll definitely not be late. 可以载我去第二个站吗? Okay, let me walk around the places that I haven't been to yesterday. 这里就是苗王酒店. Okay, so I came into the reception area and I asked them for a map, and they said they only have electronic maps now. And they said basically the whole of the 景区 is this small, and then everything else, like these Yuan one, there's not much to see here. So she suggested me if I wanted to see something, then I can go out to the balcony. So whilst I'm flying my drone, I'm going to be telling you a little bit about the Guizhou Provincial Supply and Marketing Cooperative, which was founded in February 1951. Initially, it was the Cooperative Affairs Management Office of the Guizhou Provincial People's Government, which unified the work of supply and marketing cooperatives, consumer cooperatives, and handicraft production cooperatives throughout the province, and began piloting supply and marketing cooperatives in various places. In March 1954, it was reorganized into the Preparatory Committee of Guizhou Provincial Cooperative Federation. In July of the same year, the first Congress of Members Representatives of the Guizhou Provincial Cooperatives was held, and the Guizhou Provincial Cooperative Federation was formally established. and in September of the same year, it was renamed the Guizhou Provincial Supply and Marketing Cooperative. And that's all the information I've got about this Guizhou Provincial Supply and Marketing Cooperative. If you learned something new today, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Alright, they said it's the very end of this road. They said there's basically nothing to see there. It's a dead end. So I'm gonna go back to the Jinchu. And after flying my drone at the hotel, I realized I basically saw the whole of the Jinchu yesterday. I want to go up here to see if there's anything interesting. OMG, there's so many yellow leaves here. I'm gonna use what's left of a drone battery to help me take a photo. After taking a photo with these beautiful leaves, I am gonna walk to the end here. Oh, there's even more yellow leaves here. And this is the very end. 游客止步。为什么游客止步呢？
那边是断头路，没有路。
哦，没有地方。It is time for breakfast. It is now 12 past 8. There's some red grapefruit juice and fruit, and there's some coffee, and yogurt. There are so many cereals. There's some mushroom sausage, smoked chicken, salami sausage, and loads of sausage. Then there's white congee and special porridge, and some served with congee side dishes. Apparently this is special fried rice, but it looks quite normal. Then there's tea egg and fried lettuce. There's also baked potatoes and stir-fried preserved pork. There's some steamed bok choy and stir-fried cauliflower, corn, potato, and this is bread, so nice, and pork buns. This is pan-fried yellow cake, and this is squid ring. There's oil sticks, sausages, bacon, and fried eggs. And you can also make your own noodles. And this is what I got in the end. And it's now 9 a.m. and we're leaving.我哋嘅午飯就喺呢一個蘭書黔食薈度食啦。呢間房叫深圳，我哋坐廣州間房。These are fried chicken pieces. Honestly, I'm not hungry at all as it was only 11:30.
生魚皮啊！
呢個係咪湯？
係湯啊！
有雞，有炒熟咗嘅蝦，有魚。
地瓜喎！
這個是什麼？
打包先。
I did take it away in the end and had this food on the train. And we're leaving. We are back at Guizhou's train station. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And I'll see you all with another traveling vlog.